Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present about interpretation of data. Definition: data interpretation refers to the implementation of process through which data is reviewed for the purpose of arriving at an informed conclusion. The interpretation of data assigns a meaning to the information analyzed and determines its efficient implication. The importance of data interpretation is evident, and this is why it needs to be done properly. Data is very likely to arrive from multiple sources and has a tendency to enter the analysis process with haphazard ordering. Data analysis tends to be extremely subjective. That is to say, the nature and goal of interpretation will vary from business to business, likely correlating to the type of data being analyzed. Well, there are several different types of process that are implemented based on individual data nature. The two broadest and most common categories are quantitative analysis and qualitative analysis. What are interpretation methods? Data interpretation methods are how analysis help people make sense of numerical data that has been collected, analyzed, and presented. Data, when collected in raw form, may be difficult from the layman to understand, which is why analysis needs to break down the information gathered so that others can make sense of it. Purpose: according to Skelmers and Strauss, 1973, it has three objectives, which are a mere description, that is, the analysis accept and use existing organizational design and theory in a discipline. The result of data analysis are interpreting the data by finding the categories in the data related to those interpretation. Analytical description, which design that is developed from the categories found and the relationships based or that arise from the data. And substantive theory. Substantive theory, namely the basic theory of the analysis, must reveal the design that has been carried out in the analysis, then transform into the language of the discipline, sociology and so on, which eventually builds its own identity even though is carried out in relation to the object being analyzed or traditional process. Data interpretation can be carried out in two ways. First, interpretation is limited because research only interpret the data and relationship that it is in their research is an interpretation in the narrow sense. And second, research try to find a broader understanding of the result they get from the analysis. This is done by the research by comparing the result of the analysis with the conclusion of other research and by reconnecting the interpretation with the theory. Quantitative data analysis method. First, involves statistical analysis or number analysis, seek deductive inference, focus on quantifiable phenomena, comparison difference, trends, variable, relationship, and etc. Involves data clustering analysis for relationship in non-hypothesis testing. Involves systematic, predetermined, and categorical analysis. Assume possibility of value-free inquiry. Adopt an objective approach, and usually narrow, specific, and seek uniform generalization. And qualitative data methods involve non-statistical analysis or text analysis, seek inductive inference, focus on meaning, description of terms, involve data structuring and coding into groups and terms, involve in-depth, unpredetermined, fluid, and non-categorical analysis. Consider attention of research impact on others' value, may adopt a subjective approach, are general, broad, and is context sensitive. Data interpretation technique according to Gray. First, connect the results of the analysis with the theory in the previous chapter. Connect or review the theory that is relevant to the problem at hand. Extend the result of the analysis by asking questions regarding the relationship, difference between the result and analysis, the cause, the implication of the results of the previous analysis. 4. Relate finding to personal experience. 5. Give a critical view of the results of the analysis carried out. Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you for your attention.